of modern software development, the web is a given, but the web is also fraying a little bit around the edges. We're seeing increasing concern from web luminaries like Sir Tim Berners-Lee trying to talk about how to strengthen and prop the web up against forces of censorship or just failure or neglect, vertical silos like Facebook and Google. And how can we think about building systems that are more open, more decentralized, and more stable over time? And so we have a new notion of a decentralized web emerging, and we have several projects that are trying to help tackle that. One of the most absolutely exciting ones is a set of open source tools called the Interplanetary File System. And while that sounds like just a cool name, it's also part of the story. So come hear how they are designing things to work with the web, to extend it, to strengthen it, to add new features of anti-censorship, and also how this is all potentially going to look once we have humans on Mars who need to request files and documents from Earth, and how we need a file system and a way of communicating about it that lends itself well to that. Now, while that's just part of an aspirational goal, and it's just an interesting way of thinking about the edge cases, this is very important for our day-to-day uses and how we can roll applications out that remain stable even in the face of updates to the applications. Things can be stable and found and shared and moved around and remain stable, and all of this can still be done under the context of working with the web. So come see how we can target a platform that kind of mixes the web with GitHub or with Git, with BitTorrent, with self-certifying file systems, and distributed hash tables. These are all things that will benefit many organizations in trying to build more stable architectures that have some of the same characteristics of modern decentralized software systems.